This is a 1997 Citizen L-25. Machine has a Cincom control. It has an L&S Hydro Bar Mini Sprint bar feed. You got live tool, sub spindle, back working. That's 1,000 RPM on the main. (2,000 RPM). That's 3,000 RPM. All right. Sub spindle, 1,000 RPM. (2,000). And that's 3,000 as well. All right. Z-axis indexing on the main. It's a full C on the main. We believe it's 15 degree on the sub. Here's the live tools, 1,000 RPM. That's 2. That's 3,000 RPM. All right. The tooling that you see mounted to the machine all goes with it. All right. Okay. Once again, a 1997 Citizen L-25 comes with all the tooling you see mounted, and the L&S Mini Sprint Hydro Bar bar feed. Can be inspected under power in Harrison, New Jersey. Thanks for watching.